Okay. Let's continue, no? Tapos na tayo dun sa use of butterfly method in subtracting fractions. Ngayon naman, papakita natin paano yung gamitin yung butterfly method just when you are dividing a fraction by another fraction. Okay, ganun pa rin, no? Still, we will do cross multiplication, no? Halimbawa dito, 3 times 10, we will still multiply, we will have 30. Ito yung consider natin na first product, no? Then, 5 multiplied by 4 will give us 20. Now, ano ngayon yung difference when you are dividing a fraction by another fraction using butterfly method? This is the first, di ba? This is the first product. This is the second product. Okay, saan natin lalagay yung first? Yung first ilalagay natin sa numerator. So, we will have 30 there. And yung second naman ilalagay natin sa denominator. Okay? So, pag sinimplify natin, 30 over 20, they are both divisible by 10, di ba? Both divisible by 10. So, ayan, 10 divided by 10. So, we will have 30 divided by 10 will leave us with 3. And 20 divided by 10 will give us with 2. So, ano ang quotient or answer dito sa problem natin of dividing 3/5 by 4 over 10? The final answer will be 3 over 2. Again, no? When we cross multiply, this, okay, no? The numerator of the first fraction multiplied by the denominator of the second fraction. Okay, titreat natin siyang first product. 30, no? Then we proceed by multiplying the numerator of the second fraction by the denominator of the first fraction. Okay, that will be our second product. Saan natin ilalagay? Yung first, again, ilalagay natin yung first product sa numerator. Yung second product naman, which is 20, ilalagay natin dito sa denominator. Ano lang kasimple sa division of fraction using butterfly method.